Hi everyone, you've reached Ellen's Crochet channel, and I want to thank each and every one of my new and returning subscribers for watching my videos, for leaving all your kind comments, for hitting the like button, and for returning. And thank you. And if you happen to be just passing by and happened upon my channel and you like what you see, give a thought about maybe subscribing, hitting that little bell that will ask YouTube to notify you that they don't always do it when I return and drop a video. That would be great. So today's video is about to block or not to block. That is the question. My friends, you know, I love crochet. I'm in my crochet era and I love my fiber. And sometimes, depending on what you crochet or knit, whether it's a wearable or whatever, sometimes you need to block whatever you make. In regards to granny squares, sometimes you have to block them. This here is my sweet shop blanket that I started in January, and this is going to be a year-long project because every once in a while I'll make a square and then I put it in my little blocking board, and it's going to take a while. I'll put a link below to the sweet shop blanket. It's a throw actually, and yeah, this is it's beautiful. It's going to be lovely when it's finished. But this is the only thing I've ever really blocked with a blocking board. I have made scarves and wearables, and you know, I'll wet block them and you know, flatten them out, or I've made a shawl and I put some weighted things on the bottom to bring it down, but I've never actually had a blocking board or T-pins. So, and I do plan on making a shawl soon that will require blocking with T-pins and combs and all that stuff, because it will have picots that, you know, you want to, you're putting all that work into your project. You want it to look as beautiful as it can. So, but anyone who knows me, especially anybody who knows me personally, knows that I never pay full price for anything. All of my yarn has been curated at a discount. I don't think I've purchased one ball of yarn full price. And that's for mostly everything that I purchased in life. If I can get it on sale, I'm going to wait. If I can get it next week on sale, I'm going to wait. So I was looking, you know, Joann, formerly Joann, when they went bankrupt, I thought, oh, you know what? I'll probably find maybe some blocking mats. I never saw a blocking mat in Joann ever, or Michael's, or a Hobby Lobby. I did see them in Walmart, but they were a small pack and didn't really look like it was going to be a good deal. So I don't know if anybody has ever shopped at on Facebook Marketplace, but I came across a young woman who probably had a small child at one time, and she was selling her mats. And honestly, I don't think these were even ever used. Maybe once. They're immaculate. So these are 18 mats. They're play mats, which is really the same thing as a blocking mat. I got them for $8. That was a great deal, because if you get 18 of them, you know, if you look on Amazon, it's like $40 or $50 for $8. Yes, please. That was a good deal for me. But, you know, if you're going to use these, you need the pins. So I was looking, and, you know, Hobby Lobby, they have T-pins. But if they come, a lot of the packets are little cellophane, and so then you'll have to get a little container to put them in. The ones that are in containers, for 100, they were maybe $10. So I found this little kit on Amazon for $16.99, and I thought that's a good deal. There's 100 T-pins in a little case, and then it has 8 of the 4-pin combs and 12 of the 8-pin combs, for which, you know, knitting and crocheting, if you're going to be blocking it, you need combs and pins, and it even came with a little tape measure. What I thought was great is that it's already in a container, and for $16.99, I thought that was a great deal. So friends, question, do you block or don't you block? That's today's question. And pretty much what today's video is about, but there's something else. So, in the recent weeks, my subscriber count has gone up way past 1,000. My watch hours are enough to be monetized. I'm still waiting for YouTube to do their whatever they do. Still questioning whether I'm going to go forward with that, but it's in process. So I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and especially my old-time subscribers. Thank you for always coming back day after day whenever I drop a video and leaving a comment. It's so nice to have the interaction with each and every one of you. And for that, I'm going to have a giveaway. You don't know what's in the bag, but I'm sure it'll be appreciated. Who doesn't appreciate something for free? So let me read the rules and regulations. Well, the rules, I should say, regulations. Well, too much work in my head. So the giveaway rules. There will be no mention of giveaway on this video. There will be no mention of giveaway in the comments. This giveaway is open to public subscribers of my channel in the United States, Alaska, and Hawaii. The entrant to the giveaway must be public to my channel and may share this video, the winning video, if you want to. In order to enter, you must leave a comment below on this video, and I'll let you know what the comment needs to include after I finish reading this. Any comments received through other methods will not be included in the drawing, and I will pick a winner using the random comment picker on this particular video. So the comments on this video will go through the random comment picker. Okay, the giveaway is not associated with YouTube or any other company in any way. All items included in this giveaway were purchased by me using my own funds. In other words, there's no way affiliated with anyone. This giveaway will start today, June 19, 2025, and it will end on June, what I say date? I think it was hold on a minute. It'll end on June 24th, which is Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 2025. So the giveaway starts today. It ends Tuesday, June 24th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. YouTube requires that you are 18 years or older. Well, only one winner will be chosen, and they will have 7 days from that Tuesday at 6 p.m. when I'm going to draw it. From the time I announce it, they'll have 7 days. You never know what happens. From the time that I announce the winner, they have 7 days to contact me to claim their winnings. If the prize has not been claimed, I may offer it again at another time. I will post the video announcing the winner. I will not contact the winner in any other way. You won't receive an email from me. You won't receive a text from me. There'll be a video saying this is the winner, and then you have to contact me. My email will be in the description box. Please protect your personal information and ignore and report any scammers claiming to be me in the comments. I will not comment, will not respond to a comment saying you're the winner. It will never happen. The winner will be required to return to this video and leave a specific comment under their original comment, and that will be divulged after the winner contacts me. So yeah, we're gonna keep the scammers away. We're gonna really try to. Okay, we are a pet-free, smoke-free home. And good luck to everyone who enters. Hopefully this is my first giveaway, and hopefully it goes smoothly. So that's it, friends. So what do you need? So the requirements are that you follow the rules that will be listed in the description box, and that you leave a comment. It can be any comment, as long as you are participating as the rules require and you leave a comment. suggest, you know, something simple like, yes, I blocked my purple shirt, or no, I don't block. However, let it have something to do with the topic of the video, because we really want to keep the scammers out. And that's all that's required. Be a public subscriber in the United States. Leave a comment if you'd like to participate. And good luck, everyone. And I'll see you next week when I make a video, I should say, and drop it to whoever the random comment picker chooses. Take care, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.